Huh? Yo! Witches! This is your girl Maya. This is your boy Ocho. Today we are going to show you an exercise that's going to help you get stronger in your abs. Yeah! Way better than boring old crunches and sit-ups. Let's do it, Ocho. Cue that intro. I am talking about the hollow body exercise. Before I show you how to get into it and why it's so awesome, please make sure you subscribe, press that bell, share this video with all your friends. Okay, so the reason why we all need to be doing hollow body exercises is because it translates into your entire other life. And you will be stronger in your push-up, your pull-up, your handstand aspirations, anything, because it's going to teach you how to align your spine and get really, really strong in your whole entire core here. From the pelvic bone, pelvic floor muscles, right up to the freaking ribs. And the reason why crunches and sit-ups aren't that awesome is because a lot of people have neck pain and back pain when they're doing it, plus they're not fully engaging their entire core muscles. So this is the hollow body, and I freaking love it. And anyone can do this, and you can do this anywhere with no equipment. All you need is a nice mat, something to lay on. And what you're gonna do is, the biggest thing about the hollow body is to have the flat back, okay? So what you're gonna do is, you put your hand underneath you. Naturally, our spine has a natural curvature in it. So the goal of a hollow body is to hollow it out and to make the spine completely as straight as possible. And we do that by bringing our knees up and then pushing our lower back down, raising our shoulders up, raising our neck up. And here is your level 1 hollow body. How do you know you're doing it right? Your back is completely pushed down flat. You cannot get anything through here. Your ribs are zipped up together. No flaring ribs allowed. This is zipped up. You're taking your tailbone and you're tucking it in. So you're going into a posterior pelvic tilt. This is your hollow body. And why is that so important? Because that's the position that we need to be in, with that pelvic bone tucked underneath us, with the ribs in, with the back flat, when we're doing things like plank, push-ups, and pull-ups, and hand balancing. That wasn't a good one. But you need to have that. When you can understand how to do that hollow body movement, you can translate into all the other exercises. So I'm going to show you different ways to level it up. But the key thing to remember with the hollow body is to let go of that ego, okay? So many of us are progressing too fast when you really haven't nailed it yet. So trust me, even I am doing it at the level 1 because I want to make sure my back is completely flat, my ribs are totally zipped in, and I can hold this and own this position for a full minute before I move on. So how do you move on? If you can nail this for 1 minute, you can increase your load by increasing your lever. So here we can extend our legs, here we can extend our arms. And if you can still do this for 1 whole minute, make sure you're always checking that lower back. Eventually you can, that burns, yo! Eventually you lower your leg more and more, minding that back, minding that pelvic tilt. Okay, see, that's way too much for me. But I love this exercise because there's so many ways to progress it, to make it even harder and harder, as well as regress it and get really strong, really stable, incredibly strong core. All right, guys? So please add more hollow body exercises to your routine. I've made tons of previous tutorials on the spine, on the core, so please check those out. This is your girl Maya. This is your boy Ocho. Thanks so much for being here with us, guys. I'll see you next time. Make sure to check the description box for important links. Get your core!